Let's make velvet marinade for beef iron round for stir fry. This is part 2, the velvet sauce. Okay, we'll start with 2 ounces of cornstarch, there. We'll do 1 ounce of sugar. There's 1 ounce. Let me set them all out here so we can all look at it together. Got 2 teaspoons of ice spice. 2 teaspoons. There you go. So I am left-handed today. It's pretty strong. Wouldn't go too much over unless you really like it. There you go. These are all the dry ingredients for, you want to start with cornstarch. When you're making a slurry, or else it'll clump up. We'll start with the dry ingredients first. Here's 1 teaspoon of ground white pepper. Usually use a little, teaspoon of sugar. Okay, let's do it like that. A real good reading on that. Be careful with white pepper. It carries. There you go. There you go. All right. Got 2 ounces of water. Got a nice thick oyster sauce. 2 ounces there. Start with that thick stuff in here first. That way we can get it all out with the looser stuff. That might have been it. Of course, right on camera. Leave it. Chef right here. Get the rest of that out later. Another one right here. all the stuff cut out and wrap them back up again. Yeah. I was gonna do all this ahead, and then I was like, let people see part of the fun. There we go. Let's clean up real quick. Stay clean. You don't want to spread messes around. Numbers of what 2 ounces and 1 ounce, and you know, eventually you can just eyeball it, but we're gonna do it exact this time. There you go. There's the $1 million tool. We call it in the kitchen because it will save you $1 million a year. Okay. So big oyster. Do an ounce of that. We'll clean this out real quick. 2 ounces of our soy sauce. This is the low sodium soy. I'll show it to you here in a second. I have measurements on the inside of my cup also. Very nice. For 1 ounce also, so I can go halfway. Again, the more you make this, you'll adjust it. Oh, I like mine with more oyster sauce, or more soy sauce, or more sweet soy sauce. I'm gonna run that oyster sauce out of there. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah. There we go. That's 2 ounces of soy sauce. Why don't we just go ahead and do 1 ounce of, do it out of here. Let's put it out of here. I'll do 1 ounce of that Shaoxing one. You should. I think that's rice. 1 ounce. There's half as much. Now, this is normally very clear. I got a little tinge of my other ingredients in there, so it's going to be able to just have that little bit of soy and oyster sauce. There you go. And clean. Save that money. Okay. There's an ounce there. We need an ounce of what? Let's show you. That's our cornstarch. Lovely low sodium soy sauce. Here's like the peanut whey. We're going to use a peanut oil because we can get that very hot when we're searing this meat and get some good color and flavor going on and really bring the wok to its full potential. At 450 degrees, this oil will start to smoke and soon combust, catch fire. 450 degrees is pretty hot. Other oils like, maybe some vegetable oils and some canola oils range in the 350 degrees, so you won't get that fast, hard sear as much, and it takes longer, and juices will come out of your protein, your beef, chicken, as you're trying to cook it, and the juices are expanding out of it the longer it's in there. So we want to have a hot temperature and sear it quick. So that's a nice peanut oil. If you have some kind of allergy, there's other high temperature oils, grapeseed oil, etc. Today we've got peanut oil. So, and that's what I'm using right here. Yes, took the scenic route there. You can just put it on playback speed too. And that's still too long. Okay. Let's do an ounce. So we got cornstarch, 2 ounces, 1 ounce of sugar, 2 teaspoons of five spice, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 2 ounces of water, 2 ounces of oyster sauce, 2 ounces of soy sauce, 2 ounces of the Shaoxing wine. They got a little bit of this in there from when we measured it out. 1 ounce of peanut oil. Mix everything in this bowl. Now, we want to start with this cornstarch, and we're going to basically make a slurry out of it first. But we're going to get the dry stuff in there too, so these don't clump up also. These fine powders will clump up in water, so I'm going to start getting our dry stuff out of there. Watch, we're going to do the same thing. You can do this. That's just going to come out all by itself. That's going to come out all by itself. That's going to come out all by itself. Boom. And 2 ounces of water. That precious, lovely water. Thank you. Oh my goodness. To the last drop. And everything else. All those little speckles of cornstarch in there. They all want to get in. Okay, and that's, you can feel the sugar in there and stuff, but the cornstarch is lumped out. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of these thin ingredients in. That was that wine with a little bit of soy sauce. The cup, again, it's normally nice and clear. Oops, let's get this one out. May as well. This spatula is working nice. Let's do it. Let's do it. Your chef will appreciate this, unless you take it too long. I'm going. Jeez, what do you pay for? Don't say that. Chef, it's hard work. So thankfully you got some more shoulders to stand on. Okay, let's give this a quick little stir while we whip that oil in there. Go ahead and some of that out there. It's very thick. Don't do that either. Alright, this is going to be our delightful marinade. We're going to go ahead and rinse the beef off right now. Get it in there. I'm ready to rock and roll. Let's get this. Put that mixed up in there. Very aromatic right now. It smells good. Okay. This is the sink. Put stuff in there. What is this stuff? I'm going to go ahead and pull the beef out of the fridge. I've stirred it up a few times and get it rinsed off. I don't have a camera at the sink, but basically that's going to get that baking soda rinsed out there. You don't want that flavor in there, especially if you're doing the fast marinade where we put a lot in there. You want to rinse that so the juices are clear. You don't want that baking soda in there necessarily. It's not bad for you.